Marhaban. Welcome to another episode of Arabic Made Easy. Today, we're learning the Arabic alphabet in a fun way. Ever found new letters tricky to remember? No worries. We'll make it simple, just like how kids learn with A for apple. By the end of this session, you'll recognize key Arabic letters and their sounds, learn 5 new words, and match sounds using AI pronunciation tools. Let's start with the letter Alif. It sounds like a in Asad, which means lion. Next, we have Ba. Think of B as in Batta, which means duck. Taa is up next. It's like T in Tuffah, meaning apple. Moving on to the, which sounds like teach and think. A good word is the lab, meaning fox. Jeem is like J in Jamal, which means camel. Easy, right? Khaa has a deep sound like H in Haleeb, meaning milk. Khaa is like H in Bach. Khubz means bread. Let's talk about Daal. It sounds like D in Dubb, which means bear. Lastly, Daal. It's like DH in this. A good word is Dhahab, meaning gold. Keep practicing these letters and sounds. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can learn Arabic.